Hi everybody, Elliot here. Last time I introduced you to Recipe Robot and showed you how it can create a set of auto-package recipes for a Mac app. Now we're going to do the same general process, but we're going to use a direct download URL instead. Direct download URLs are relatively easy to find in the wild. I usually navigate to the app developer's website, look for a link that says download, and copy the linked URL. Before you use a download URL with Recipe Robot, you'll want to double check that it's not version specific. Here's an example of a version-specific URL. Notice the version before the .zip part? We don't want that. Instead, we want something that might look like this, or like this. Once we've found a usable download URL, let's feed it to the robot. Here's the command I'll use. Recipe robot, verbose, and then I paste in the download URL. Now let's wait while Recipe Robot generates recipes. It's important to know that I haven't edited or sped this part up. This is happening in real time. Okay, we have our recipes. Now let's inspect the recipes and make sure they're what we want. It's always a good idea to inspect all the processors that are being used and add in any information that might be missing, like the developer's name or checking the description, for example. I did speed this part up so we can move along a little faster here. All right, they all look good. Now let's run the recipes using AutoPackage. This part is also sped up so as not to bore you. All right, looks like the recipes all ran just fine. That's all there is to it. Now you know how to use Recipe Robot with a download URL. Thanks a lot.